Today we will make a Discord.js snakebot. As you can see, everything works perfectly. Now go to the link in my video description and use my GitHub repository as template. Now copy the link and paste it in replit.com. Now you have to create a new environment variable and paste your bot token there. Now let's start the bot and see if it's working. As you can see, the bot is now online and works perfectly. If you liked my video, feel free to subscribe me. And if you want to know how to host your Discord bot 24/7, look at my other videos.